Hey everyone, Chase from iPort here. Today I'm excited to share with you about the all-new Connect mount and case products. Stay tuned for some more information on instructions and product details to follow. Before we jump into what's included with your product, I did want to take a second to note that the Connect mount system is a modular accessory that is accompanied by a Connect case. For more information on choosing the correct case for your iPad size, visit iPortProducts.com. Today I want to talk about the all-new side mount, a cost-effective way of permanently mounting iPad to the side of a Mullion channel outside of a boardroom table, conference room, or office. Let's jump into what's included. Shipping with every Connect side mount, we include an info card to help you get started with a manual or a video, the Connect side mount, a mounting bracket for the case, Molex extension cable, some machine screws, and a PoE Plus network adapter. First step is to determine the center line height of the iPad that you're looking to have installed when the side mount is ultimately installed. Remove the mounting bracket from the side mount. Find that center line and mark the location of the mounting bracket. There is adjustments forward and backwards by about an inch to help center the side mount when ultimately installed. Find a center mounting location for the anchors. Next step then would be to run your Cat 6 cable to the mounting location, up through the channel, back to your PoE Plus switch. Once you've mounted the mounting bracket onto the Mullion channel, leave the screws loose a little bit to be able to adjust forward or backwards as needed on the mounting bracket. Take your side mount, roughly place it over the bracket to make sure that the side mount is flush with the front of the Mullion channel. Next, we're going to take our PoE Plus network adapter, attach that to your Cat 6 cable, grab your side mount with the Molex connector, and connect it onto the PoE Plus network adapter, making sure that the red wire is facing towards the middle of the PoE Plus network adapter. Make sure it's securely seated. Next, attach the PoE Plus network adapter onto the metal mounting bracket. Slide the side mount over top of the metal mounting bracket and grab 4 of the provided machine screws to attach the side mount onto the bracket. Once you've installed your bracket, take the Connect case and remove the provided electronics board. Set this aside and grab the included mounting bracket, snap that into place, and we'll move on to the next step. Side mount is designed with some adjustability in mind depending upon which iPad that you choose. Take your iPad that you've chosen, slide your iPad onto the side mount mounting ring, and adjust accordingly to be flush with the Mullion. Remove the iPad temporarily and tighten down the 4 retention screws. Use the 4 provided machine screws to attach the case onto the mount. Feed any excess wire back into the mounting bracket, attaching the Molex connector to the case electronics board and snapping over the retention ring. Slide the cable into the channel, making for a nice fit when you install your iPad, and the ring underneath the mounting ring. Next, remove the top of the case, if not already done so. Grab your iPad, slide your iPad into place, making sure that it's securely seated on the connector, and grab the case half again. Lock that into place, use the provided iPort security tool, insert it into the case, and move down towards the locking icon. Now you've completed the install of your new Connect side mount. Last step is to plug it into a PoE Plus switch or injector.